And what's happening YouTube? Your boy TechTricks back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox something beautiful for your YouTube channel. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android, and also unboxing just like these ones. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. If you want one of these as well, I'll link this down in the description below. It's all an affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps out the channel. So today we're looking at the Comica professional audio equipment. Basically, this is the CVM-AX3. It has two functions. It has two slots. You can throw in your guitar in there with a 1/4 inch or even an XLR cable. So with this, because we don't have a professional camera, you know, like the Cinecam that the professional use, the big ones, this will use that, put that function into our device. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. Here we go. Let's open that up. This is weird. How is this? How is this on there? What's going on? And come on! I don't know how to turn. I don't know how to do this. What's going on here? Oh wow! That was not happening earlier. My goodness. User manual, of course, always. Little extended warranty thing. Let's put that away. We don't need that anymore. Oh, this is the different mounting brackets that you can use on your Comica equipment. So here it would have the another whatever. I'll put that on the side for now. Silica gel. Don't need that. Cable, and that's it. Now the main event, big guy, Comica. Let's go. Let's come out of there, and that's it. Let's put that on the side for now, and that's it. So as you can see there, two knobs for each one, a bunch of outputs or inputs. So out, aux, and the headphone jack. Ooh, it even has a headphone jack. I didn't know that. There's MS. There's a bunch of those right there. Shoes, if you want to mount more things on the side, maybe a mic. Two different holes on the bottom. It also has a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery tray, which I have no idea how to take out. Oh, there you go. So what you do is you just push it up, and you'll just pull out, push up and pull out, right? There you go. That's where you put your battery in, and you're good to go. And look at the back. Look at all the inputs that you can put in there. Actually, you can put the XLR 1/4 inch up there, but also on the bottom you can input more stuff. So you can, this will go on a different channel, and this would go in a different channel. So left and right it would record. And actually this only has 2 channels, so for you guys who wants to put in more, this won't work for you, but this is the best for me, because maybe just have an XLR mic and also my guitar, and I'm good to go. Other things as well right here. Different functionality, you can change channels and all that stuff on this side. Now, so I got a battery. Just gonna put this in through here. There you go. It says plus and minus. And I have no idea which one is plus and minus here. So I guess minus is the big side. But anyways, yeah, good thing they show you here which one it is, because of the heads won't fit. Good thing, because I don't know. So now let's go ahead and push that in right there. As soon as you put it in, it turns on. So now let's go ahead and push this in on our camera. Here we go. This is our camera right here. It's gonna start to get real big here. So let's take off our mic first. There you go. So here you can mount your Comica on the bottom, just like that. And then all you need to do is just screw it on. Pretty easy. There you go. The thing is, you can also mount this on top right here, but I feel like it's gonna be too heavy, so I'm just gonna leave it on the bottom side just like that. Besides, you don't want wires sticking out from the top anyway. This is probably the best spot to put it. There you go. So that's what it would look like. And then here, from then on, you can then mount your mic on the side right here, just like that. Put that on the right side, just like that, and you're good to go. We're gonna test out the mic coming from here and the one that's coming straight from the camera and see if there's a big difference on here. Oh, I forgot, we're supposed to put this on our camera. So this will go to our input. This is a normal mic jack right there. And we're gonna go to out right there. We're good to go. What about the middle and see how that sounds? Let's test it out. Now this test is coming from the mic itself. This is straight on to the camera. The mic is now connected to the camera. So let me know if this is gonna work for you. Right now we are using the Comica CVM-AX3, only the right side, because again, split track for left and right. So right now you're hearing me on the Comica and with the same mic, Rode Micro. Right now, this is a test for the stereo for the mic. Again, Rode Micro mic, same mic. It's on the stereo side now, and let me know if this is better. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing / review for the Comica. Initial review for the Comica CVM-AX3. It's actually a really good price for this device. And I think it's the best device so that you can split track and you can have different inputs as well for your DSLR camera. With this little device as well, you'll be able to have the XLR inputs and the 1/4 inch input as well. So this is the best for music producers out there, or maybe you're playing guitar and also you have a mic, a condenser mic at the same time. You'll be able to do this all with this one device. If you want to buy one of these, I'll link this down in the description below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well if I was able to help you today. Comment below what you like best about this Comica and if you're gonna buy one or not. I hope you guys have a good day. Stay tuned for the next videos to come and see you next time. Peace!